Now, we are looking at how to share your screen if you want to. So, basically, if you want to share your screen now, you should open something on your background. Assuming anything at all you want to share. Assuming you have a file or a video you want to share with everyone, you know. Um, but now I want to share something else, a picture, to make this video as short as it can be. You understand? So now that I want to share this thing, I'll just open it on my background and go back to my call. Now that I've opened it, I'll click on Windows. Probably one of the windows there is this one. You open it while you're on the call. Do not open it before the call for the Zoom one, because sometimes you may not find it because we have other opened windows that are not showing, like Spotify, and some of them are not showing. So we're going to click on it because this is what we want to share, and you click on share. Now this is just it, basically how to share it, and everything is just a photo. And there's a difference between this one now. You want to share just something on your computer, and you want to share another thing elsewhere. So for you can just say stop sharing for this one. Let's check something else. Now, if you want to share a Chrome tab, go to the Chrome tab and click on Egyptian pizza pyramid, just a random stuff. Assuming the file you want to share has a URL or a link, you can feel free to copy it, open a new tab here and paste it, and use the Chrome tab to do it, because the Chrome tab is more. I do prefer to use the Chrome tab during the time of sharing this video, anytime at all I want to share. So I click on Windows, I click on Chrome tab, I see what I want, so I choose the one I want to use. I can also choose these ones, but if you have just one Chrome tab, it may not be entirely possible to pick it directly. So I used to just prefer to open like three, because you will try to click on the entire one, open like three, so that I'll just choose the first one or any one I want to choose to make it less stressful for me. So you share your Chrome tab. You understand? This is the call where you are. This is what the people on the call are seeing. You are sharing your screen. You understand? So now this is where you are sharing. You don't try to click on the Chrome tab, because most times what you are sharing will just show up here, and you try to share from here. You try to scroll the screen and make it share from this place, because you think it's when it's showing on the call is when you're sharing. But people on the call are already seeing this. Here you go. So you just um go back to the site you're sharing and do whatever modifications you want to do from there. When you're scrolling or when you're sharing whatever you're sharing here, people from people on the call, like your colleagues on the call, are already seeing it just the way you are doing it. Assuming you want to explain anything or play a video from here, people are already seeing it from the other side. So you can always say stop sharing if you want. You can always click on stop sharing and you stop sharing, and the next person can also share. You know, this is you can leave the meeting from here if you intend to. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.